Also, I wanted to do more. I wanted to do more things than to make music. You know, and in that position, I was in a position to foster artists' careers and just make money. And you know, I was knocking on the doors of all the powers that be, and was like, yo, you understand, like I can do more. Before this, you know, Beats by Dre and all that, I was like, I could do things like that. You know, I can, you know, I can identify companies. We'll go get Billionaire Boys Club. This is before it was part of, you know, our thing. You know, I was like, we can get Billionaires Boys Club, and you know, it's hot right now, and then all the artists want to wear it anyway. We let the artists wear it. You know, I'm giving these guys like these elaborate, well, not elaborate. I'm giving these guys these simple business plans. You know, and it was just like, no, just
bring some artists,
bring some hits. Yeah. And I was like, well, then you know, I gotta move on.
Group82University.com